Crypto Launchpool is one of the ways crypto projects uses in promoting their crypto coin. So right on this update, I will show you the amazing crypto Launchpool that is available right now. So as a participator, when you participate in any crypto Launchpool, there are reward waiting for you. Crypto Launchpool is not always available, but when they are available, then everyone that is able to jump on them before they expire, because most of them only lasted for about 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, and in most cases the highest you are going to be seeing is going to be within a month, meaning it's something that you need to jump on immediately. So if you're interested in crypto Launchpool, then this update is for you. I will show you the amazing crypto Launchpool project that is available right now, and if you are able to participate, then you are going to be getting amazing reward for yourself. Remember, this is never a financial advice. This video is only for educational purpose. So guys, without any further ado, let's dive straight right onto today's tutorial. So to locate available crypto yield farming, what you have to do is for you to make use of your coin market cap, right? On your coin market cap, you are going to come right here to where it says Ava. So right here on Ava, right here, you are going to click on it and you are going to check out the top menu right here and locate the one that says launch. Look at it right here. You are going to see this one right here that says launch. Right here on this launch, you are going to be seeing we have Launchpool. So right here on this Launchpool, you are going to be seeing we have hundreds of different crypto coin, newly listed crypto projects that are here. You see many of them right here says completed, and we have different Launchpool projects on KuCoin, on Bitget, on Mexi, even on Binance, and so many different crypto exchange. So let's see which one is available right here, because we are seeing many of them are already completed. So some lasted for 1 month, some lasted for 10 days, 5 days. So each of them have different specification and their elapsing period. So let's scroll up right here and see which one is currently ongoing. So the one that is currently ongoing right here, we have this one that says cow. So this cow right here is right on Bitget. That's what you can see right here. And this cow started May 6, 2026, and is set to last for 7 days right here. Look at it, 7 days. And total reward according to them, that is 10 million cow coin. So how can you really apply for this? It's actually very easy. When you click on this project right here, you are going to be seeing some of the full detailed information on how you can actually jump on this particular one. You see right here, cow Launchpool event. Look at it right here. Cow Launchpool event will take place on Bitget on 2026-05-06 at 13:00. That is 1 p.m. Nigerian time. Are you ready? So start date right here, you can see, and reward right here, you can see. So now when you want to locate this, just go to your Bitget. Right on your Bitget, locate the area that says Launchpool, that is Launchpool or new listing. Once you locate that, you are going to be seeing this car right here, and you will see the minimum amount you can actually use to opt in for this particular crypto Launchpool. So once you enter the minimum amount or any amount you think you are qualified to enter, after you have entered it, all you just have to do is for you to wait for this particular Launchpool to be over, and once it is over, you are going to be seeing your reward dropping in your account. That is for that. So let's check the other one that is available, and this one is on BTC. This particular one is available on Mexi exchange. Look at it right here, Mexi exchange. So this one also is set to last for 12 days, and it started on May 6, meaning you have about 5 days left, right, for you to jump on this, right? So the reward is said to be 0.13 BTC. That is the reward for everyone that participates right on this Launchpool. So now if you click on this farming right here, you are going to be seeing much more information right here on this particular one, and you see they even specify the subscription. I think this is the minimum amount you can go for. I'm not too sure. That is what they mean right here, subscription. You know, this is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. So this is 7,600 USDT. I think this is the minimum. So if you think you have this amount, just go to your Mexi and follow their Launchpool section, and you will see this particular one right here, and you can actually jump on it. It's very easy. So if you think you want much update like this on Launchpool, most Launchpool they provide amazing bonuses for everyone that participates, just for them to actually promote that particular project, and this in most cases do skyrocket most of the crypto project, most of the crypto coin. As you can see, to get started on crypto Launchpool is actually very easy. All you need is updates. So if you are always part of this channel, if you subscribe to this channel and you turn on your notification bell, anytime a new crypto Launchpool is available, then I'll be there to actually make a video about that, and you all will be notified. You can as well do well by joining all our social media platforms, the Telegram, the WhatsApp. The link is going to be right on this video. Over there, I drop updates, even update that is not available right here on my YouTube channel. Drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you really understand this update, and if you have one or two questions, I will always be there to respond to you. I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.